Boy, she's really launching herself. Oh crap, she went around the ramp. I snuck a little board out there to make it a little taller. And she noticed it the first time she hit it. Doing good though. Let's see. Maybe she'll hit it this time. Oh yeah. You see that, Leo? You want to try it? Huh? You want to try it? No. I put a basket on the front of her bike for you. Oh yeah, she's ready for some hills. What do you think? I know you're worried.